Hello guys, so we are programming some more Python today and we are going to learn about variables and addition. Okay, this is how you do it. First, put a letter, like I'm going to do G, and then I do equals and then 7. Your variable G is going to be 7, and, and then press return. You can add another number if you want, and another letter, and then go equals, and then you can do any number you want here. Okay, now this is the addition part. Now we can do print and then shift 9, and you also need a double quote. Just type G and then plus and then G plus H. You don't need to put the equals. Just now you all have to do is go file, save all, then write, just click that and then run, and then it's 15. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully subscribe and like. Bye.